Welcome back, everyone. I will go ahead and show you exactly how to fix your Snapchat account if it's locked on your device. Now, there's a couple of different ways of going about doing it. If you have an Android or an iPhone, it's pretty much the same process, but there are two different main ways of going about fixing it. Now, the first way I'm going to show you is probably the way it's going to fix for a lot of people. But here's the thing you have to keep in mind. If you're doing a lot of suspicious things on your Snapchat account, if you hacked somebody's Snapchat, if you got into someone's Snapchat account that you shouldn't be in and you're posting a bunch of spammy stories, or if you use something like Snapchat Plus Plus or third party plugins or whatever, those are basically the main ways you can actually go ahead and get your account locked in the first place. So keep that in mind. So the very first thing I'm going to show you is if you're in that specific situation, this is basically how you go ahead and fix it. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and go into your web browser and you want to pretty much click on the first link down in the description. It should take you to this specific website. If it doesn't, or if I forget to post it in, just literally type in, fix Snapchat account locked and go find the official Snapchat version right here. Funny enough, you can see one of my past videos right here, which is pretty funny. So you want to click right there and then you want to go ahead and basically read through this. You want to read through it as good as you can. But this second option or third option, actually the second option, will actually allow you to unlock your account. And this is very strange because I thought you could do it straight from the app, but you can't. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and click on this little hyperlink and it'll take you to this specific website. Now it's going to ask you to re-enter your password and all that stuff. And please make sure you're on Snapchat's official website. Go Google it yourself. As you can see, I am on Snapchat's website because it's snapchat.com. If it says anything other than that, do not input any credentials. Now, once you go ahead and do this, it's going to take you to this specific page. So what you want to do is you want to click unlock, which is right here. If it says anything else or if it takes you to any other page, I would recommend you to actually go ahead and, change your password on your Snapchat account. But once you're here, you want to go ahead and click unlock. Now my account is not locked, so I'm not going to click on it. But in this case, you would go ahead and click unlock and that'll actually end up unlocking your account. So then all you have to do is swipe out of here, go back into your Snapchat account. You want to try logging back in and that should end up fixing the issue. If this still doesn't end up fixing your Snapchat account, then the second method is what I would probably end up recommending you to do. So in this case, what you want to do is if your Snapchat account is still locked and you're still experiencing some locked issues by, trying to go into your Snapchat account, what you want to do is pretty much there's three different things I would recommend you to do. The first thing, you want to go ahead and hop out of Snapchat completely and you want to make your way over to your app store. So you want to go straight into your app store just like this. And once you're here, you want to go ahead and search up Snapchat. So just like this, you want to click here and you want to update your Snapchat account. Now there's a chance you're on a super outdated version of Snapchat or whatever. So you want to be on the most up-to-date version of Snapchat that you can possibly get on your device. And as you can see, it'll take a couple seconds for it to fully install on my device. I have a really bad Wi-Fi, but that's the very first thing I would recommend doing in this case is to go ahead, update your Snapchat, then try to go back into Snapchat and see if that ended up fixing the issue. Now, let's say you updated your Snapchat account and it's still not fixed. But what I would recommend doing in this case is to actually delete Snapchat fully on your device. For both Android and iOS, it's the same thing. And better yet, if you're on an Android device, I'd recommend force quitting the app and even clearing the cache. But if you're on an iOS device, you don't have to do that. Just fully go ahead, hold down on the phone like this. You want to go ahead and click, edit home screen. And then you want to go ahead and fully click remove and then click remove or delete the app right there. And that's really all you have to do. And at this point, what I would recommend doing is pretty much waiting for it to fully get deleted from your phone and then go back into your app store and reinstall the app. At this point, it should end up fixing the issue. And if you're still experiencing issues at this point, I would recommend trying to go onto a different iPhone, a different device in general, and seeing if you're able to log into Snapchat that way. There is a chance that, you could still experience the issues on one device, but if you go to a different app or a different device, then you may actually be able to fix the issue. Like I said before, this is pretty much, an issue when you have third-party apps using your Snapchat account, things like Snapchat Plus Plus, any other third-party app. This is pretty much the main way that you can go ahead and fix it. Now, at this point, if this is still not working, I'd recommend trying to use a phone number of some sort or a different email if you remember that email. Usually username, email, phone number, you can go ahead and log in through those methods. If none of those methods work, I'd probably recommend contacting Snapchat and letting them know your specific situation that you're in, and hopefully they can go ahead and fix the situation for you. So that's really pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count. So it means so much if you guys can hit that. My audio stopped recording for some reason, but yeah, let me know any other questions. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, all that good stuff. But more importantly than everything else, you guys already know this. I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.